Alright, so we have a Burger Motors double cone air intakes just arrived. We're gonna put them on the BMW 335i N54. I'm gonna show you guys how to take out the original intake and plug this bad boys in. It's very simple, but I haven't seen a video of this done yet. I've seen a single cone, but I never seen the double, so I'm gonna do this for you guys. Just entertain me for another 10-15 minutes. Let's get this done. We're gonna start by a flathead screwdriver. Just unplugging the clips right here. You should watch carefully, very simple, like that, and pull. There's 3 of them. That's 1, 2, and 3. There you go. Pull this out. Most of the videos they say that you have to take all this out. I personally don't think it's necessary. I had a engine intake in here and I didn't quite like it. I like Burger Motors better, so I hope they don't let me down. So you loosen that up, and if you zoom in, you could see the bolt that needs to be taken out, which is right there. And you also need a flathead screwdriver. I'm gonna get a small one to make my life easier. Put your hand in. But camera guy can see this. It's a challenge, but unscrew it. Okay. Once you get some wiggle in it, you don't necessarily have to take it all the way out. Just get that little wiggle going. Just let it be. We'll come back to that. Also, the 3 rubbers that are connected to the airbox, you take those out too. Might be hard with hand, however I'm used to it, but you can also use a screwdriver, whatever else you have handy. Just simply pull those out, loosen it up. That's it, pretty much done out here. The rest is going to be done in the front. Be very, very gentle with the vacuum tube that is located right here. Simply pull. Like I said, gentle, so pull that out. And then you loosen this out. It was loosened up before, so just press. It's very important. Press hard, then pull it out. Okay, once you have that out, just leave it hanging so it doesn't bother you. And move on to the box. So with the box, or actually it's best if you loosen this up as well. So simply use a smaller screwdriver, a longer one depending on where it's located. Like I said, don't necessarily take it all out. Just have it loose. Just chill. As long as there's some wiggle room. That's it. So, other than that, it's also good to take this out. Let you see what you're working with. So this is OEM, dirty, broken, useless. Watch these washers. You just press it. There's one out right there. That's the one there. The other ones are from the back. You also pull it out. Don't do it too hard, as long as you feel the pop. Just leave it be. That's it. Now, this connector to the airbox, press it, then pull it back. There's one on this side as well. Just press it and also pull it back. until you got it. There you go. Once you have it, that's it. Other than that, pull this out. There you go. That's it. You have it. It's not complicated at all. There we go. Back the airbox out. Look how much room you have here to play with, and you didn't have to take out the cowl. If you want to, you can. I didn't find use in taking it out personally, but use your discretion. Now we're gonna take our time, plug the Burger Motors intakes in, and we're good to go. All right. So we unwrapped the Burger Motors air intake. So it comes with an intake and also the very light aluminum tube, which is going to give the support from the rubber parts into the intake. So we took the courtesy and put that one in. It does have a little bit of a trick to it. When you do put it in, basically prior to putting the intake in, you do have to lift it a bit and then put the intake in until it's nice and sturdy. It does have a place to go, so until you hit it, go in all the way, then you basically tighten it. Once you have that in, I prefer my small screwdriver. Basically just tighten it. You have to wiggle it a little because I don't want to squeeze or damage the intake. So twist the bolt like this, so, and then just tighten it. Not too tight, but also make sure it's not loose. Otherwise, over time will come off and you'll get some dirty air in the engine, which you don't want. Like so. And then just try it, make sure it's in properly. Just pull it a bit. It doesn't have any support, so it does wiggle a bit, but I guess that's how it is. And we'll see how it goes after we finish putting the other part in. Now that we have the first cone in, we might need to take this plastic piece off so we can put in the second one properly. So this comes out very easily. 2 bolts right here. So there's one. And 2 on the other end. Remove this piece like so. Yet again, be very careful with this. However, take it in, put the tube up, put in the intake. You might have to wiggle the first one, put the second one in. If you're having a hard time, check to see if you need to unscrew this so it goes in well, so you don't struggle. But again, there's always a wiggle there because it's not a secure fit. Like so. And make sure you can plug the vacuum back in. Still little wiggle room there. There you have it. Screw this back in. And you have your dual burger motor intakes installed. Plug this back in as well. And you have to press it until you hear the click. There you go. You're ready to go. I'm going to start up the engine now so you can hear that roar. There you have it, guys. Burger motors intakes.